There you go.
It's on now. Okay, let's do this, man.
Emma, is yours on? I mean, you won't need it for this part, but
Yeah, the bunny
we'll
run is very important. We have to get on video.
What's happening right now? Alright, my bibby! Well, wait. Ellie, how's it going? Good, how are you? Pretty good, how are you? Ellie, this is Emma. Emma, this is Ellie.
Nice to meet you.
Someone's skis just got bodied, I heard it. Oh. Why are you turtling right now?
You got a problem with the turtle?
I don't got a problem with the turtle.
Someone should click the button for me. You hit the button.
I think it's
funny that you're
Is it on?
pushing it up. It's like this right now.
It's definitely looking like
Are you ready?
I need to tighten my dam, dude. My boots keep on.
He's looking at the lift right now. Ain't going down. Like slightly.
No, it's also looking up.
No, I'm not.
No, it just skis like this. Yeah, we're GoPro today.
There you go.
Alright, cool.
We're doing some really cool stuff.
Oh yeah, we're definitely getting good film today. That looks pretty good.
That's crazy. Noah's GoPro angle is going to be funny a little bit.
Definitely looking straight up.
He's like this, he's like, oh, I'm not.
Alright, where are we going? No, the racer king. Wait, you guys always go with the worst time. Down yesterday. All that ice.
Damn.
Hit the jump. I'll go behind you guys.
Get the side hill too.
Oh my gosh, yeah, she skis like a jelly.
Oh, that's fucking.
Oh, fantastic.
Himself.
Are you gonna, you should launch that.
No, it's good like that. I swear I smoked a rock at 100 and there's no damage. It was the loudest. That's just better.
Caitlin, hit a clip. Hit a clip. Hit a clip.
Sweet.
Hit a clip for the video.
Hit a clip for the video.
I'm about to get raced.
I can't wait to see Josh.
Hey, don't say that.
Ah, it's on video now.
Oh, Josh is mad.
Josh is bad.
Oh, like makes my helmet feel weird. Parker, do a clip. Get a clip. Woo. Oh.
That was a Joshua. That's Noah.
I'm Noah.
You're Noah. That's an Emma. I don't know. What am I?
What the flizzy? What is going on? You guys taking the random over me? Are you serious?
No, yeah. Let Noah come up. Let Noah come up.
Come on. Thank you, Jasper. Excuse me. Bro, his balls are sneaking me.
The weather outside. The last one. The
Last one to
first
jump.
one. No, the first one to get off is a chicken.
All right, let's play, guys.
I beat Josh's ass last time.
No, bro, launch.
Hey, I'm standing there.
What's up, JP?
What's up, man?
Oh, good angles.
Follow them. I'll have Emma go stand by the jump.
All right, I'm gonna follow you in. Oh. Get a clip, get a clip. You got the GoPro today.
What?
Got the GoPro today.
How was that?
Pretty good. Yo, was that Riz? Was that W Riz?
But I was like, I don't want to pull a Noah.
Yeah, thanks.
So I was like, oh,
But I came today though.
Fucking mad shit about yesterday.
Dead
I
ass.
was not.
I'm telling. I'm telling Ski Patrol.
I swear I was.
I'm telling Ski Patrol on you. Go down and what? Oh. Get the angle! Get the angle! Ellie, you're supposed to do a jump. Holy shit! You're supposed to do a trick. Alright, let me go behind you guys for the jump right here. What the hell? You snaked me, Ellie. Go, go.